So I'd like to continue with a meditation to strengthen the inner voice, voice of the soul, the voice of the Antar Guru, the inner teacher. It's imperative you know you have a soul and that you can listen and work with it, follow its lead. So this meditation strengthens that inner voice, which is a lot softer, more subtle than the voice of our standard, ordinary mind, ego. So here the palms are together, pinkies together, palms are open, and we're looking down at our hands. Eyes are open partially, and we're looking down at the hands, and we'll chant Waho mentally 10 times as we inhale. So 10 stroke, inhaling through the nose, with the mantra Waho repeated 10 times, and then 10 exhales, Guru. Completing the breath fully in, fully out, with 10 cycles, roughly. If you do 9 or 11, 12 or 8, it's fine. Mostly you're just vibrating that mantra, Waho on the inhale, Guru on the exhale. And after a few minutes, then we'll switch to chanting this out loud. At times when the path of truth and clarity seem lost, calm yourself and still your mind. Then the path will be shown to you. In this meditation, the head is bent as if an offering to the Guru or the higher, deepest self. Besides strengthening your mental direction, it can alleviate blood disease with the breath work. To live life according to the guidance of inner truth is essential. If you do not, there will be doubts. If your doubts aren't removed, then frustration comes. Frustration, when not released, leads to anger, which then leads to destructive action either to the self, others, or both. To stop the vicious cycle, create the habit to still the self and ask questions of your own higher consciousness. This meditation develops that capacity to still the self and ask questions of your own higher consciousness. The worst enemy there is whosoever steals your stability. It's not evil that makes one strong, but it's rather those who lay emotional tantrums. They say, you are no friend if you are not miserable when I am. We must work together against our own sickness to stop the sharing of misery, pain, and suffering. No one wants it. Yogi Bhajan. Halfway through this first part. Waho, the indescribable. Guru, the wisdom. Indescribable bliss, ecstasy of one's inner light. Realizing, actualizing this. final minute, focus completely on the mantra, on the breath, on the hands. It's in your hands. Finish the cycle you're on, and then relax the hands to Gyan Mudra. And we'll chant that mantra 8 wahos now, 8 gurus, in a continuous monotone altogether. Exhale. Gaze maybe at the third eye, or just concentrating at the one point, maybe the tip of the nose. Inhale deeply to begin. Waho, 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 guru, 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 waho, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, 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 from the navel. Wow, 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 guru, 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 wow, 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 guru, guru, Wow, 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 wow. Guru, 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 guru. Wow, 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 wow. Guru, 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 guru. Inhale. As you like, suspend the breath and your mind. And then when you like, relax it and stay in the cycle of your breathing, meditating, listening deeply. All you sense, feel, hear, all vibrations, listen deeply from the inside out. Be present, be at zero, no compromise, empty, listening beyond words. Inhale, exhale, hold your hand at your heart and bless yourself, bless one another, each other, all parts of you, all your relations. You can send this prayer to someone, somewhere, from the heart with love. Inhale to join in song. Exhale. If you have a mantra sheet, flip it over. Inhale to begin. Exhale. This time for real, inhale to start. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. Guide your your efforts today. In gratitude to yourself, your body, your soul. Please bow your head in respect. And to all those who bowed at the altar of their hearts, minds, bodies, and souls before us and passed down traditions, spiritual practices like Kundalini Yoga. Satnam.